Multiplier's here to share an idea. Take some clean electronic kick bodies, these from a product I made called Soft Kicks on multiplier.audio. Play these through some speakers and record the result in a microphone, facing the wrong way round, face down on a desk. So we're intentionally recording this incorrectly. See how those recorded kicks are longer and more boomy? And as I'm sure you've guessed, I've normalized, trimmed the ends, and added a fade out to each kick here. Standard stuff to isolate each kick. Lo-fi, the perfect excuse to do things wrong. On purpose, until this imperfection gives that lo-fi character. Softer, more boomy, but oozing with character. Here I recorded 4 kicks, each of them twice, but of course, you can do this with hundreds at a time. Take, say, an entire sample pack full of kicks and just record it all in one go, picking your favorites. Doing, say, each of them twice, as each time it's slightly different. Lo-fi loveliness. Not to mention it's great in a track, say, to mix it up, to have, say, 2 similar but different kicks. In other words, say, use both of these in your song, alternating between them for interesting variation. This video brought to you by me and a product I made called Soft Kicks on my website multiplier.audio. Here's some examples of those soft kicks. Link below for that, of course. See you in the next one. Really hope a delivery man doesn't walk by, see me looking like this. Probably think I'm even weirder. This is what I've become. This is who I am now. I am Headphone Man. I am Headphone Man. Headphone superhero, maybe you might say. I do say. I'm like a headphone superhero fighting sound crime by hearing things better. I do live a strange life sometimes. I have strange days. This is strange. This isn't usual. This is not how people normally do a job. Wait, that's not the right one. Oh no, I've done this incorrectly. That's oh, now the whole thing's falling off. My ears, oh, it's pulling my ear off. Oh no, it's collapsed. My ears. Crikey. See you in the next one.